hello gorgeous. It's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with a product that is not new, but new to me, called Danessa Myricks, and she has a whole line of makeup, but today we are specifically playing with her Colorfix liquid products that say that they can be used for cheeks, eyes, lips, and we are going to play with them today. And I do have a lovely hiccup halfway through the video, so if you want to laugh, if you want to play with makeup, if you want to see this look come together, then I hope you'll continue watching. I am going to prime the eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Oldie but goodie. Then we're going to go ahead and prime the face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. A little pore smoothing. Next, we are going to jump into a new product that I am very excited about. These are the Danessa Myricks Colorfix. They have different finishes. What I picked up was the foil, the shade Nebula. This is the matte in the shade Primary Red. And then I picked up the clear gloss. You are supposed to be able to use these products for your eyes, your cheeks, your lips. They are not supposed to crease, waterproof. I have used them a few times. I will tell you, the gloss I did not appreciate on my eyes. I feel like it did crease a little bit. Now that could be user error. Maybe I needed to put it up higher or down lower, but on the lid it didn't work out for me. But I did love the gloss on my lips. So we are going to play with these today. Danessa Myricks is new at Sephora, and I am looking forward to trying more of her products. I'm going to try this red on my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. I'm going to zoom you in so you can get a better look. Okay, I am back, and we are going to take this red and we are going to put the tiniest amount on my hand. I'm going to take a small, fluffy blending brush. I think we'll use this one from Profusion. This is the ES2, and we are going to go into the crease with this red. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and see if I can soften that look a little bit. Let's go underneath the eyes with it. I'm going to take a smaller, fluffy blending brush. This is another one of my faves from Profusion. I still have product on my hand, so you see how far this really goes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that gold and put it on the lid. I'm going to go back in with this Profusion brush. I did wipe it off. Mixture of patting and swiping because we don't want to go on too thick with it. Gonna let that layer dry, and then we'll go in with a little bit more. I think we need to soften these edges with a little bit of bronzer, so I'm gonna go into my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. I love this palette. It's got 4 different shades of bronzer in it. Goes for about $10. So I think what I'll do is I'll go in with this shade right here. Super light-handed. Same shade, go underneath the eye. Go in with a deeper shade and just deepen that outer corner. Gonna go in with a little more gold. I still have all that product on my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with some liner, and I just picked up another one of my favorites. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liner. Stays on the waterline, goes on smoothly, doesn't poke at your eye. Absolutely love it. If that line is harsh, you can take a small blending brush and smudge it. I think I'm going to go all the way across with the black liner on top. I am going to throw on some mascara. This is the Trestique mascara with the lash curler built in that I got from Boxycharm. Can't say I'm using the lash curler, but I like the mascara. So I'm gonna throw some mascara on and I will be right back. Okay, mascara is on. I am going to throw on some foundation, powder, bronzer, and highlight, and then we are going to jump back in with more of the multitasking products from Danessa Myricks. I'm going to use my Smashbox foundation, which I love this foundation, but it's a little on the thick side. So again, from Boxycharm, this is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to use these together to thin out this foundation, which is more full coverage. Then I'm gonna go in with my Essence Matte Bronzing Palette. And for highlight, I'm going to use my Apple from e.l.f. I picked up a new Realher eyebrow pencil, again from those Boxycharms add-ons. So be right back. We're going back to this red by Danessa Myricks. I am going to first throw it on the cheeks for some blush. So I like to do bronzer and then highlight and then have the blush blended together. So we shall see. Now I have used these products before, just not anywhere but my lips. We're going to experience this together. So again, small little dot. I'm going to use a stippling brush. This is one that I got from e.l.f. And we are going to go in. Ooh! Very light-handed. Did I just ruin this look, guys? Can this be saved? I'm working fast. Should I have used my fingers? I don't think we can use this as blush. Okay, I am back. Rewind. Now, when this happens, I mean, this is what all the fun is about, right? We're playing with makeup, we're seeing what works, what doesn't work, and I think it worked out well on the eyes. Would I have picked a different color for the eyes, like a brown? Absolutely. She has lots of color options. It was my choice to go with red because I love red lips. If you've tried it on your cheeks, please let me know. I mean, maybe to apply with your finger would have been better, but it's not a big deal. Took a makeup wipe, cleaned up here, redid here, and we're going back to the beginning. So I did not throw actual blush on, so I'm going to stick with this e.l.f. one. A little bit of a difference, huh? Throw on some blush here just to blend that bronzer and highlight together, give the cheeks a little bit of life. Next, we are going into our lip liner because we are not done with that red as of yet. Okay, so I went ahead and lined and filled in the lips. This lip liner is from Gerard Cosmetics, and the shade is Immortal. So with this Danessa Myricks, I am going to take a brush to apply it. I think I'm going to use this one right here. This is just a flat-sided brush from, it says Luna Magic. Here we go, the dot on the hand. Let's see how this goes. It is very lightweight, which I do appreciate. I can already feel it drying down to a matte, but it is not uncomfortable. We're gonna give this a moment to set before we go in with the glaze. I feel like this is a bold eye look. I think we need to throw on some false lashes. So I am going to jump in with my Ardell Magnetic. Ones that I have are the double, that you lay one on top and lay one on the bottom. I'll speed you up and show you me applying them, but they just came out with the accents that you can use the magnetic liner for. Let me know if you've tried those, what you think. All right, let me throw these on real quick. So this lipstick, there is no transfer, very matte finish. And now what I want to do is I want to play with this glaze. Let's put some of this on. This time I'm going to put a little bit on my finger and we're just going to throw it on. Did it break down the color? It did not. That I love. It's really frustrating when I have an opaque color underneath and then that gloss breaks it down. So I like that. Let's finish off with some setting spray and then I will give you my final thoughts on these products. I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Can't go wrong. Shake it up. Okay. Let's try that on. Sometimes you need to take a little brush, make sure you don't have any marks. For the most part, these products worked out great. I like the red. I like the red on the eyes. It was bold. I like the red on the lips. I love it for a matte look. I love the gold on the eyes. I think I could have even layered it up more if I wanted it to be bolder, but I think this is a softer shimmer with this bold crease shade. I do think that the bronzer helped to tone it down a little bit, but if you're looking for an edgier, more modern look, I think that that's fun. Would I like to play with more shades of this? Yes. Will I try to use it as blush again? Probably not. If you're not aware, Sephora's VIB sale is coming up, so I know I'm making my list. If you are interested in seeing my wish list for the Sephora VIB sale or my recommendations, please comment below, let us know. And I hope very much that you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.